What's up, guys? And today, not today, yesterday, when Hurricane Matthew touched my backyard, it's really sunny now. It's really sunny now. And my sister, and I'm gonna clean all of it up in fast motion. Let's start. Okay, guys, I just set up this. I just set up this with my sister. And I'm gonna put this back in my shed. And I'm gonna clean all of these leaves with my sister. Wait, I have two sisters and I'm cleaning them with my two sisters. Let me just put this back in the shed. This in the shed. Guys, my shed kind of looks like a haunted house. Ew, there's water. My shed kind of looks
Stop.
creepy. See, guys, this is my shed. I keep. And I'm gonna clean the leaves in fast motion with my sisters, and let's do it. Okay, guys, I just finished cleaning my Hurricane Matthew, and today I'm gonna go show you guys it right now. Look at that. There might be a little leaves. I've got my bloom right there, and I cleaned all of it. And if that happened to you, like the hurricane incident that happened to me, you should clean it up with your parents, your brothers and sisters. You should clean it with your parents. You can clean it with your brothers and sisters if you have a brother or sister. And guys, bye. Hope you all have a good day, and peace.